It's been a while, huh? Well, I'm glad you came back to my channel. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as Olena Roseanne, and today I'm going to share with you a few more, well, a little bit more than a few more of the empties that I need to get rid of. So, if you want to see what products I've used and used up or just can't use anymore but have to go, and if you want to find out a few new products I'm trying, stay tuned and I'll show you. Go ahead and subscribe now, hit the notification bell, like this video. Based on my previous empties video, it seemed to do okay. So I have another one. And as a matter of fact, this might be a series because I have a lot of products either that I have used up, can't stand and not going to use anymore, or I've actually ruined or they've expired. So I can't use them anymore. Okay, so I know a few of you are like, wait, what do you mean? She ruined some products? Yes. A great way to ruin products is by not storing your hair products, and this is what I'm speaking of, hair products properly. Most hair products you need to keep in a cool place, not exposed to direct sunlight or heat. Well, the last location I had my products, I actually had them on shelves up against the wall, but the shelves were about 6 inches from the ceiling. Problem with that, heat rises. So if you're looking to ruin your products quickly, keep your products high in the air, close to the ceiling. I'll never do that again. One product that I absolutely ruined and I'm so sad about is this product here by Product Junkie Naturals. This is the Manuka Honey Flaxseed Gel. Did I like this product? I love this product. But you know what? What you don't do is you keep it somewhere where heat is going to get to it, lots of heat, and just let it sit there, because what will happen? Your items will mold if you are not keeping them properly stored. So what you can do, you can refrigerate products. You can basically keep them in a shelf, obviously closer to the floor, or keep them in a cabinet somewhere. Again, don't keep your products on shelving close to the ceiling, because what? Heat rises. So I'm going to go ahead and repurchase this. I love this product. I'm not going to get into details on it. If you want to know what my thoughts are on this product, make sure you go ahead and check my previous video. I ended up using it all the way to about right there, and now it has to go bye-bye. This product here by Mielle, this is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Now, if you saw my previous video, I didn't like it. Just plain simple, didn't like it. It did not give me the amount of moisture that I was hoping it would give me for my hair, and I'm low porosity. So that's why this has to go. Product Junkie Naturals, old packaging. This is a Pumpkin Mint Crush Scalp Scrub with Himalayan Pink Salt. Did I love this product? I love this product, y'all. I think this is one of the first scalp scrubs I had tried. If you love mint, oh my gosh, y'all. Now, this is not currently being offered by Product Junkie Naturals, but I will go ahead and make sure you follow Product Junkie Naturals on all social media outlets. Pay attention to her lives that she does, because she'll tell you when this is back or if it comes back. But I will tell you there will be a pumpkin line that will be coming out in the fall. So love this stuff, but it has to go. It's expired now. That's why this one is going. And this, I use it all the way down to right here. This is from Amali Organics. This is a fortifying deep treatment. Did I love this product? Actually, yes, I did. Did it do what it was supposed to do? Yes, it did. The only reason why this has to go is because it's expired. We're not using expired products in our hair and scalp. Why? Because that's just asking for a whole bunch of trouble that you don't want in your life, and I know I don't want in my life, so it has to go. This is from Pidonic Collection. This is the Marula and Kupuaku Herbal Silk 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. Do I love this product? Yes, 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 I do. This is wonderful for twist outs, braid outs, basically whatever you want to do. I mean, it's universal. It's a 3-in-1. So, there's a little bit on the corner here. I pretty much use all of this. And why is this going? Because it's expired. It's expired. Yeah. That's the hard thing about being a content creator, and you purchase a lot of products, and then you may have some, given to you, or whatever the case is. You go through a lot of products, but I've recently moved, and this is the better time than ever to go through these products and get rid of them, because I need room for more. High maintenance Magic Crown hair vitamins. Now, did they work? That's always a question when it comes to things that claim to promote hair growth, healthy hair, skin, nails. I did notice, I had a little bit more hairs growing in my baby hair area, where you guys know, if you're new to my channel, you may not know I suffer from alopecia. So I did have a little bit of new growth. Mostly it's gray hair. Gray hair is a whole nother area. Would I purchase them again? I'm not really a gummy type person or a vitamin type person outside of the vitamins and medicine I have to take. So probably not, but should you try it? You may want to. Jamaican mango and lime, Jamaican black castor oil. And this one is in the amla scent. Do I love amla? Yes, I do. I have something about that scent I just love. Does it smell nasty? It being castor oil? No, it does not. It covers up the castor smell. It's still there, but with the amla added in is a big help. This is a great sealer, great to seal in moisture. This is great for, if you have itchy, flaky scalp. At least it worked for me. I have a little bit still left here. There's a corner of it, so I may go ahead and add that into a spray bottle, but this is counted as empty because I'm not going to have any more after that corner. The video is brought to you by Dossier. Go ahead and choose a scent I'm going to wear for next week, and then we'll get back to a few more of these products in just a moment.
Just think, you can pay anywhere from $29 for Dossier's version of designer scents that are out there instead of paying $100 to $350. Come on now.
Iconic scents, designer quality, no marker, alternative to luxury perfumes, made in France, risk-free order, vegan and cruelty-free, and clean ingredients. I mean, what's not to love about that? You just heard what I said about Dossier. And do I love it so far? Yes, I do. The first scent I have here is Floral Peony. This top notes are peony, lychee, and lily. Middle notes rose, magnolia, and freesia. And base notes is musk, cedarwood, and honey. Okay. So as long as there's not too much musk in it, I'll be okay. And this is inspired by Chloe Eau de Parfum. Just so you know, the samples are no longer a thing. Dossier is becoming more eco-friendly, and I believe they announced this on Earth Day. So you're no longer going to have the testers, but it's okay. Go ahead and order. You get your big bottle here. You try it out. You don't like it, you send it back. Let's see what this is talking about. This smells good. It's definitely a floral. There's a little bit of musk to it, but not where you're going to smell like a man, in my opinion. I get a little bit of a powdery scent too. I like it. Let's see what's in this box. Floriental Orange Blossom. Top notes is violet, mimosa, and ylang ylang. Yeah, ylang ylang. Middle notes orange blossom, gardenia, and tuberose. Tuberose, I hope it's not too... Tuberose is one of those scents where I can't have too much of it or it just gets irritating. That's just me. Let me know. Does tuberose bother you? Do you even know what tuberose is? Have you looked up the name tuberose because you saw me mention tuberose? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so and base notes is vanilla, sandalwood, and orris. I'm not sure what orris is, but I'm going to have to look that one up. This one is inspired by Estee Lauder Beautiful Eau de Perfume. I'm happy about both these because I have never tried either one of them or any scents by either one of these designers. Like I said before, this is a great way to try new things. Okay, don't eat it, girl. Don't eat it. I was about to say it smelled like candy, or it could, but now it doesn't. I do smell that tuberose in it, but I think it's balanced out okay. Because would I wear it? Yeah, it would. It has almost like a little spiciness to it. Okay. So I tried the Floriental Orange Blossom and I tried the Floral Peony. Because the Floral Peony is actually on my thumb and it sat there for a while, I'm getting used to this scent a little bit more. So this will be the scent I wear for the second week of May. So let me know, have you tried any fragrances from Dossier? Have you tried Floral Peony? Have you tried what the fragrance it's inspired by? Chloe Eau de Parfum by Chloe. So let me know, have you tried this scent? This is what I'll be wearing. Shout out to Dossier for sending me these scents to try, and you know, I'm happy so far. I love trying all these new scents, y'all. I mean, who don't want to smell good? What lady don't want to smell good? You just let me know. If you're one of those people, let me know in the comments. If you're not one of those people, let me know in the comments. So shout out to Dossier, and that is it for this portion of the video sponsored by Dossier. Back to products I need to get rid of. So this one here is from Obia Naturals. This is the Babassu Detangling Conditioner. This, honestly, I mean, it was just a conditioner to me. Did it detangle more than other conditioners I've had before? No, I didn't notice any difference. I was still able to detangle, so great. What I purchased this myself, this was given to me, but what I purchased it, probably not, because you know, I go through a lot of products and this really didn't stand out for me. Am I interested in trying other products from Obia Naturals? Yes, I am. So if you guys know of any products from Obia Naturals that you would like me to try, let me know in the comments, you know? Let me know, because I've heard great things about this particular company. Let me know what I should try through them, but this is long expired. This was on the top shelf that I told y'all about, that you just don't put on, you know, you don't put your products close to the ceiling. Don't do it, because you'll ruin the ones that you really like and you'll ruin the ones that you know, don't care about as much. But this has to go. Okay, so we'll do one more product for now, because y'all, we will be here forever and ever. We'll be here forever and ever. I mean, I have that many products. So this will be a series. Last item I have here, this is from Onjai, who does Onjai Shea hair butter, and this is the hemp seed oil. Do I love this? Yes, I do. Talk about moisture. I loved using this for my protective styles, whether it was crochet braid. I used it mostly when I was doing crochet braids, you know, passion twists, whatever. It's just wonderful for moisture and sealing. The only reason why this is going, because it's expired, long expired. I mean, I had, you know, a little bit still left up in there, but this is wonderful, and I think you should try it. So that's it for now, you guys. I'm not gonna keep you. I think I kept you long enough. Thanks for watching. I know I was gone away for a while. Just had a lot of major life changes going on all at one time, and you know what's good? To step back away from social media sometime. You know, you have to get your life, really, because your life really is off screen. But I thank you for coming back to see what I'm doing on screen. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so. I really would appreciate it. Talk to me in the comments. Miss talking to you guys. You know, what's been going on? How's your May been so far? If you're a mother, I hope you had a great Mother's Day. I am. So it was, you know, it was cool. I was going through a lot of stuff at that time, but I am thankful for my kids. So anyway, I thank you for coming back to my channel and sticking with me. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. I'm noticing, you know, the numbers inching up. Again, the goal is 1,000 subscribers. I really want to get there by mid-year, which is June 15th, which is also my birthday. So, you know, if you have anyone who hasn't checked out my channel yet, invite them over to stop by. You know, send them a link to one of my videos they might be interested in, and you know, have them join our rose garden, you know, because the rose garden is not a rose garden without the roses. So become a rose. Other than that, I will talk to you later, roses.